creating a partition wall that doubles and as decorative elements in the room can be excellent and add functionally. Like the video, click the subscribe and press the bell icon. Here are some ideas on how to decorate partition wall using for ceiling and wood materials to decor ceiling and metal ideas. If you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribers button for latest interested videos. Install decorative 3D wall panels on partition to introduce dimension and contrast. These panels come in various materials like wood, PVC, plastic and wood and offer unique patterns and textures. Extended board design into partition wall creating a seamless transformation between the wood and partition. This can involve crafting similar patterns, colors, materials used in wood onto partition wall. Embed LED sculptures like fixtures with a partition wall illuminate specific sections or accentuates design lighting can enhance the overall ambition. Highlights the decorative aspects on the wall. Commission on an artist paint on Murray create handcraft designs on the partition wall. This could range over abstract patterns, scenic and landscapes, adding personalized and rustic touch to space. Apply textures, wallpapers, partition walls, selecting from variety of designs such as embossed patterns, fabric inspired textures, or metallic finishes. Wallpaper offers versatility and can easily complement different decor styles. Use a partition wall and display area for hanging decorative items like artwork, woven tapestry machines, and floating shelves. These showcase collectibility of plants. This adds charm personality for the partition. Crafting mirrors into the partition walls designed to create illusion, form over space, and reflect light. Mirrors can be framed or arranged in artist patterns, contributing and to elegant and reflecting element. Integrate natural elements such as frogs, foliage, and vines to moss into partition wall or to bring a touch of nature in rows. This when and undone through artificial plants panels. So thanks for watching. Bye bye. If you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribers button for latest more interested videos. In this video, share to your friends.